Hey, we're out here at 3100 Gatewood today. Great house, so well maintained. It's well built and maintained well. It's in a very good area as well. We're just at the we're kind of at the edge of Phenix City. You can be in Opelika in just a few minutes. You can be in Phenix City. You're already in Phenix City, obviously, and you can be in Columbus in just a few minutes. So it's as far as people having convenience, this is really a prime location. I noticed that the house is, as I said, well cared for. As you notice, it has architectural shingles. Uh, there's just a really well built house. I'm gonna go inside, show you around the house. I think you're gonna find the insides is very well taken care of as well, and we'd love to put you in it. Hey, we're out here at 3100 Gatewood. Wanted to show you the inside again. The inside is really nice. This is, as you can see, a beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and nice flooring. It's big open area. Has the great room and the entrance and the dining room. Everything flows really well together. They've left a lot of, as you can see, it's a really good refrigerator, but they even left an extra stainless steel refrigerator and some great washer and dryer appliances. So they've left a lot of really nice stuff in this house that makes it, kind of gives it a little extra pop. I like that it has a big backyard, has a big deck. The backyard's fenced in, so you turn your dogs out, you turn your kids out if you want to, and let them play or whatever you want to do. So it's good setup. Their owner suite has a big owner suite. Even has a little sitting area. The owner suite bath is just immaculate and well designed. This whole house is well designed in that there's 3 bedrooms downstairs. You have an owner suite on one side that, like I said, is well designed. On the other side, there is 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. And upstairs, there's a big bonus room, bathroom. You could use it as another bedroom, however you want to use it. But the whole house just has a good flow to it, well designed, something that's very usable space. And as I said when we were coming in, you're close to everything, so it's easy to go shopping, go to the grocery store. If you want to run to Columbus, you want to run to Opelika and Auburn, it's really quick there. You're right on this intersection of highways, so it makes it real easy to go everywhere you want to go. We would love to show you this house and put you in it. I'm Wayne Long with Team Long. My number is 706-366-8000, or go to our website at Team Long and just ask for me, or ask for one of our team members. We'll come show it to you and give you a tour. I think you'll love this house.
Team Long approved.